name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. If you're new to this channel, welcome. In today's video I am going to be unboxing the little box of crochet. So very cute, perfect design. They always pay a lot of attention to detail on their boxes. Yep, so love their boxes. So we have the pink tissue paper as per normal. You have your little box of crochet sticker. Let's get into the box itself. So we have Think Spring. So actually it's probably the March box. So Think Spring, very pretty, start of a new season. I just love this image. So you've got your berries, you've got your bird eating berries sitting on a tree branch. And again, you can use this as a postcard, or you can just use it in as decoration in your craft room, or as I tend to use these in flat lays for pictures of projects. You do have the matching booklet to go with it, sketchbook. So these are all plain paper. With these you can jot down any pattern ideas, you can sketch out the ideas. The paper's nice and thick, it's got a good texture to it, so you can get your patterns down. You can use it for whatever you like, but it's very good. So then we have the pattern booklet. So we have, it's definitely going for spring with your daffodils. So in this one, it is the hat and hand warmers that you can make. Here, those hand warmers look small, so I'm wondering if these are aimed at a child. Otherwise you'd have to have very dainty little hands. So I'm a bit confused by the size, but perhaps we'll see. So we have the note from Amanda telling you what she's been up to. The quick guide, contents guide, showing you what you've got. Your conversion chart here. Is it? Next, your stitch, showing you the stitches you'll be using, giving you then you're into the pattern, and it gives you the photos to follow along with. Okay, so the mittens seem to be bigger in here than they are on the front, so I think that's just how somehow the image turned out. So they will be your adult fingerless mittens, so that's good. I was a bit worried about that. Then you have photos of people's previous makes. There we go. So then we have some rainbow sticky notes. So there's your rainbow. Just peel your sticker off, make your note, and yeah, there we go. You have another hand warmer. So with these, to activate it the first time, you bend the metal disc and it activates it for the first time. Once this has gone solid or hard, you just reheat it in water. All the directions are on the back of it. So nice hand warmer. You have some Yarn Street stitch markers. So you've got, hold on, does it say in here? I'll just check something. Then you have your Yarn Street stitch markers. So you've got some pink and red, sorry, purple and red, purple and green, and some wood ones if you're doing knitting, or you could add them onto there. It's your choice. You can alter them to your style. Then we have what's this? So we have some incense sticks, cedar leaf incense sticks with ceramic holder. So handcrafted. Hummingbird. The hummingbird symbolises many aspects of life: joy, stepping back, swiftness, speed, lightness, and endurance. Created a fragrance around your home that will invoke the spirit of the hummingbird and find peace, mindfulness, and well-being every day. I'm not really a big person of incense sticks, so I don't see myself using that personally. I prefer do you prefer candles or melts? So we have our Seek Knit crochet hook. So this is our 3.5mm. Again, it is like the Clover Soft Touch, the handle that is. It is comfortable in hand, it's very light and easy to use. The only difference being it hasn't got the rubber grip here. So again, we've got your darning needle with the felt ball to stop you poking yourself on the end of the needle. And again, I have colour matched the felt ball to the shade range of the yarn you have. I love that attention to detail. So I love the colour palette for this, so very nice. We have Yarn and Colours Charming. This is very similar to Shapier's, what is it? Stone Wash yarn. Yes, so this is Yarn and Colours Charming. It is very similar to Shapier's Stone Washed yarn. It's very similar indeed. I think what's the difference with this is the ratio of cotton and acrylic. And the Shapier's does have a very large range compared to the Yarn and Colours. Last time I checked Yarn and Colours, their shade range was limited in comparison to Shapier's Stone Wash, but it's, for all intents and purposes, it seems very much the same. I haven't worked with this in a while, but I do remember it to be similar. So we have, this is a DK weight. It is, the shade is black. It is 50 grams or 115 meters or 125 yards. They're classing it as a number 4 weight. I wouldn't say this is a 4 weight. It's a 3, or perhaps on the high end of a 3. But it's definitely not a 4, so at least not in my opinion. So it's 68% cotton, 32% acrylic. They're saying it's a 4 weight. I'd say more like a 3. And then they're recommending a 3 to a 3.5mm crochet hook. Hand wash and lay flat to dry. So that is that. Then we have this lovely like taupe shade. This is Burn It. We have this lovely mint shade, Riverside. We have Pastel Pink. You ever notice with different yarns, some have really fancy shade names, and then others, like, I mean, for example, like this green is Greeny Blue is Riverside, so a fancy name compared to, so a Greeny Blue that they've named Riverside, and then this black that they've called Black. I never get that, why some have fancy names and some are just literally that. That's a bit, yeah. So sorry, off topic. So this shade is Brick. I wouldn't call this brick, it's more like an orange shade. And finally, actually that is it, isn't it? So you had the black, the burnet, the riverside, the pastel pink, and you had the brick. I've really enjoyed sharing this box with you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. If you have enjoyed this video and you would like to see more content like this, then please do click the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, then please make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you will get a notification of when I upload another video. With that said, thank you for joining me today. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this video and I hope you've enjoyed watching it. So thank you for joining me again, and I hope to see all of you next time. Bye.